Comparing high-capacity food dehydrators, HOPERAN versus competitors. When considering a high-capacity food dehydrator, the HOPERAN Food Dehydrator with 12 stainless steel trays offers a compelling blend of features and performance. To highlight its advantages, let's compare it with two competitors available on Amazon, the Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine and the Excalibur Performance Series 10-Tray Food Dehydrator. Ample drying space. Equipped with 10 large trays, this dehydrator provides substantial space for drying a variety of foods simultaneously. Digital controls. Features an intuitive digital interface for precise temperature and time settings, enhancing user convenience. Even heat distribution. Designed to ensure uniform drying across all trays, resulting in consistent dehydration outcomes. Moderate capacity. While sufficient for many users, the 10-tray capacity is less than the HOPERAN's 12 trays, potentially limiting batch sizes for larger dehydration needs. Higher price point. Priced between $220 and $250, it is among the more expensive options on the market. Professional-grade performance. Offers 10 trays with a total of 16 square feet of drying space, accommodating large quantities of food. Adjustable thermostat. Allows precise temperature control, catering to different dehydration requirements for various foods. Robust construction. Built with durable materials, designed for long-term use and reliability. Bulky design. Its larger size may require significant counter or storage space, which could be a consideration for some users. Premium pricing. As a professional-grade appliance, it comes with a higher price tag, which may not suit all budgets. Expanded capacity. Featuring 12 detachable stainless steel trays, each measuring 11 x 7.87, it offers a total drying area of approximately 10.9 square feet, surpassing both competitors in capacity. Expanded capacity. Featuring 12 detachable stainless steel trays, each measuring 11 x 7.87, it offers a total drying area of approximately 10.9 square feet, surpassing both competitors in capacity. Expanded capacity. Featuring 12 detachable stainless steel trays, each measuring 11 x 7.87, it offers a total drying area of approximately 10.9 square feet, surpassing both competitors in capacity. Digital timer and temperature control. Allows precise adjustments for optimal dehydration of various foods, enhancing versatility. Overheat protection. Equipped with safety features to prevent overheating, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Recipe book. Included. Comes with a recipe book, providing users with ideas and guidance to maximize the dehydrator's potential. Newer market presence. As a relatively new product, it may have fewer user reviews and a less established track record compared to more well-known brands. While the Magic Mill and Excalibur dehydrators offer notable features, the HOPERAN Food Dehydrator distinguishes itself with a larger capacity, precise digital controls, and added safety features, all at a competitive price point. For users seeking a versatile and spacious dehydrator, the HOPERAN model presents an excellent choice.